Breastfeeding is a beautiful yet challenging journey, especially for first-time moms. Pumping can be an essential part of this process, whether you're returning to work, managing milk supply, or simply looking for flexibility. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Choose the right pump. Invest in a high-quality breast pump that suits your needs. Double electric pumps are efficient for regular use, while manual pumps may work for occasional pumping. 2. Establish a routine. Consistency is key. Pump at the same times each day to maintain or boost your milk supply. 3. Stay comfortable. Create a relaxing environment and ensure proper flange fit to prevent discomfort and maximize output. 4. Hydration and nutrition. Drink plenty of water and maintain a balanced diet to support milk production. 5. Storage know-how. Use sterilized containers and follow proper storage guidelines to keep your milk safe for your baby. Remember, every mom's journey is unique. Be patient with yourself.